Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 Honda CB650F. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. It is a low mileage bike, this one. And it does come with a spare key in the pack as well. It's also data tagged. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. As you can see, it's in a nice deep metallic blue. You can see the tyre in really good condition, you still see the paint on it there. Let's get a look at it from the side, get a good close look in at the engine. All in very nice clean condition. Look at the side panel plastics on it. The side of the tank, it's got the tank protector on there. Get a look in at that rear shock. Get a look at the chain and sprocket as well. All that's in good condition. Get a good look at the side of those plastics. Let's take a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. And we'll move around to the back of the bike. As you can see, it's got a J-Tech tail tidy on it. And again, the back tyre in good condition as well. So let's do the same on this side. We'll get a good look over all the plastics and the side of the tank. Get a good look over the engine on this side as well. Let's get a look at this back wheel. Does have the ABS on this as well. Get a look at the rear pads. Let's get a look low down on this side, get a look at the exhaust. All looking really nice and clean there. And let's finish off at the front wheel on this right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's take a look at the controls. So standard layout, front brake, throttle, starter and kill switch. And over on the other side you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, hazards, horn, indicator. Let's pop this on and see what the miles are. So it's really low mileage this, it's only done 732 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that. Send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.